The reason I came here to meet you is to make you to understand that I'm a man of integrity, and integrity. I want to make you to understand that I love my baby too much. I love my woman too much. So now, I'm trying to make you to understand that you have to leave Chinasa to go. You have to leave her to go. I'm ready to marry her because you know very well, you are not ready to marry her right now. Okay? You are not ready. When you are ready to marry, I know God Almighty will give you the wife to marry. So the reason I came here to meet you, for you to understand that I really love her. So for you to leave her to go. For you to leave her for me to marry her.
Did you hear him?
Otangele, I hear him. I hear what him talk. But wait though, Ignatius. So now this guy matter carry you come your fellow man house, come they talk all this kind of thing. I just say you be busy man. Now wow. Hey.
Do you know you are shameless? Oh yes. Most times I think people with big cars have big sense. But you have a big car, then you have a little small one tickly brain. Just hear yourself, you walk up to a fellow man like you in his father's house, for crying out loud, to vomit this rubbish. As you leave Shinasa, yeah, you know, I'm not ready to marry. When I'm ready to marry, God will provide. Then when you are ready to marry, may God provide for you. If I turn down, fire you.
Otangele, try to calm yourself down now. Now please talk. He never did fight. He never did quarrel. Now fellow man to man, make we hear what you want talk. Igne, continue.
Let me tell you, Otangele, because I don't walk around with my bodyguard, that is the reason why you're trying to raise the voice to attack me. I'm a man of action. I'm a talk-me-do. I talk and I do. Thank you. Now listen, I'm not trying to tell him to leave with Chinaza for no reason. I'm not trying to tell him to leave with Chinaza for balaka. Yes, I'm trying to tell him what is going to benefit him. Okay? Right now, I'm going to... no, Sally. You know English is a come. It's not how. Thank you. Right now, I'm going to give you 1 million naira. Then I'll give you a car. Okay, you know? 3 finger styling. Leather seats.
Igne, it can't be like I know hear you well. You say you give how much?
I'm going to give him 1 million naira. And I'm going to give you a car. 4 leg, 3 finger styling, leather seat, I love the well.
1 million naira and a car.
Yes.
Now so go the answer prayer. All this is where they go to dance, they pray up and down. God don't answer you like this. Calm yourself down, oh. Calm yourself down.
Hey. On whose side are you? Hey, Jude. On whose side are you? Can you be a man for once? Are you stupid? Now listen, Mr. 1 million naira. If you love yourself, in fact, if you love yourself, leave this compound right now. I don't need your stupid 1 million naira. I don't need your car. I don't need anything. I just want you to leave my girl alone. Leave this house, otherwise I will do something you will regret.
Igne, no verse. Now my friend, now me know the way I take the handle am. So calm down, make calm.
Talk to him. I'm not going to eat your data. Talk to him. Go back home you. A fool like 40, a fool for leather. Poverty, little value.
This thing now what they call jackpot. Sure, you don't see how God want take butter your bread now. You don't see him.
Which bread God want butter? Which bread God want butter? I be there for one pour signed into my garri. What is even your problem? Do you reason at all? Is that the reason you call me out?
Angela, I dey beg you. I use my life to beg you. I use my future. If you want my destiny, everything I use and they beg you. This thing a lifetime opportunity. Forget about this girl. Collect this money. What's come to us? We've even go Ugawasa. Start up tomato business, onions, anything. But the main thing, make we come out from this level where we dey. I beg. Hey.
Chai. Betrayal. I heard about Judas Iscariot in the Bible. I heard about him. But I never knew he will come back in my own time. You are the recent and present Judas Iscariot. And I'm going to disappoint you. I will be the one to betray you and not you betraying me. Leave which girl? You and who will go Ugwausa? No, not be only Ugwausa. We'll not go there, go they say tomato and not tatashe. We'll go use the money, enter Umunze. Umunze, down the hill, side the Podu, side the Bodu Mejaha, Elemore village. Go enter the Elemore compound, go there, build that Batuzu. Stupid thing. You, why did you call me out in the first place? Why?
Otangele, calm down. You know, say the last thing I will give you now, na bad advice. I know if you try am. If you don't know, make I tell you. You know, say the little we did not to go church, come back. People, everybody for this village, then they see you like say you they useless. But if you collect this money now, use and prove them wrong. Make them know say you know useless. Go hanu chegi dia nisi gidia. Eh? See this thing the way they see amo. Nothing there for that girl. I'm not going to him please. Eh?
Tai. Where's okay? Obi Chikolo Obi out. Everybody they see me say I dey useless. So you, what are they seeing you to be?
Show me your friend. I go show you who you
are. Very stupid. You are very, very stupid.
Hey.
May thunder fire that stupid mouth you use in talking back at me.
Hey.
Useless thing. Come. So, you think if you mention 1 million naira, I will succumb and then allow you to marry my wife? Huh? You have failed now and you will keep failing. Go back to the person that prepared that charm for you. Hey. Tell he or her that your charm cannot work on me because I am a child of God and what is in me is greater than he that is in you. Leave my father's house now. Out!
I will not leave until I'm done with you. Let me tell you. You don't know Ato Zelukbo. You don't know Obi Kubana. You don't know Imo, my very good friend. What are years are you? In one office in Abuja. In Kijan office in Lagos. In one office in Oboda. In Abuja, na football. Lelas! Go Balugulu. Opa Kodelegalam Makanja Bagifa. 1 million naira with a car. Going.
Leave! Come on, get out! Out!
Out!
Out!
I don't let this guy think, no. I don't let this guy think.
Oh, yeah, you too.
Eh?
On who? Yeah, follow him.
No beauty will talk.
Come.
I need to go anywhere. No beauty will talk.
Out of this place.
What to happen?
Hold on, sir. Eh?
Why are you learning like people pursuing you?
No verse. No verse. I say make I come apologize on behalf of that my friend. Eh? You know they think where? And again, madness they run for their family. But no thing I go begin tell everybody. Eh? But no verse so. That thing where you talk, that 1 million naira where you talk, you mean I've been a joke?
Let me tell you, I'm a man of action. I'm a chief talk-me-do. I talk and I do. Let me tell you, if your plan change his mind right now, I'm going to punch in 2 million naira. In short, I'll make it 2 million naira. Let me tell you, with 1 car, just go and talk to your friend.
Check.
And I'm not joking about it.
Make we not too waste time. You know, say this kind of money go good for cash. We not get ID card to go line up for bank. Cash got to come because cash.
Okay, right now, no problem. Yeah. Let me tell you, the cash is not my problem.
Yes,
because I'm a man of giver. I'm not that stingy. Are you getting the point now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if you want a cash is not the problem. Go and talk to your friend first. Then I will shower you with the money.
Well, no problem. I don't see area not too good. Your temperature they high. My own friend they high. But no wahala. I don't know if you give me, if not card, make I call you later.
My complimentary card, eh?
Yeah, yes, sir.
No problem. I will give you my complimentary card. Give me a call as soon as you convince your plan the belly well. Definitely, I will make the money 2 million naira.
Hey.
So give me a call when you are ready.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem. Eh?
No
that
problem.
My friend, Otangele, Hey! Kobe! business. Good business. Eh? Imagine. 2 million naira. Otanjele will take 1 million. I will take 1 million. Then he will take the car. I will not go that car now. Hey! Better. Hey! Come on.
Baby, that is the gift I bought for you. Took it, no problem. Don't be scared, took it, don't be scared. Okay, hold it first, later we talk. Hold it first. You can see, very, very heavy. Something very, very good is inside. Don't worry, okay? When you go home, you open it very, very well. You see some inside the gift photo. It seems like you're not very, very happy. What happen? At least you show appreciation now. Show smile in your face. That is my autumn. I'm gonna just give me a hug. Just to give me a hug. Is it very, very bad?
I'm sorry. It's against my Christianity faith. I can't do that.
Even me also, I'm a Christian. I don't go, I don't do come. You understand? I'm also a Christian. Even in the church, they sing it in the music every time, every day. Something like that. Just giving me a hug. It's not bad. Show appreciation. I lie. I'm not doing obele, just giving me a hug.
It's okay.
Just a little hug. It's not bad. Nah. Didn't you like it? At least how you go, you like.
I have to go.
You have to go?
Yes, I have something to do for my mother.
Okay, I hope you are going to be played by tomorrow.
No. I'm not too sure about that.
No problem. If you did not come looking for me, I will come looking for you. Don't worry.
Okay.
If Muhammad did not go to mountain, mountain will go to Muhammad. If you don't come looking for me, I'll come looking for you. If you don't come looking for me, I'll come looking for you. Oh, hey! How are you?
You finish work.
Don't tell me you are here watching me for a very, very long time.
No. It's not what you think, but you finish work. Come see. See him now.
Oh, why, this one.
See him.
This boy, you're very bad.
Hey.
I hope nobody see you when you're doing this.
No, nobody see me. Hey, you sabi work. I see the way you. What is good for the good is good for the ganga. I know to go school, but I know. I know.
You're very, very funny.
I like you.
You're
I
very,
like
very
you.
funny.
Hey. See now. By the time I carry this picture, I show down my friend Otangele. Forget it.
See, let me tell you, I'm not joking. Listen to me and listen very, very carefully. Tell Otangele to stay away from Autumn. If Otangele play with me with Autumn, I'm going to deal with Otangele. One Otangele and one Otangele very, very well. If Otangele no chele muzo, mpayaka. And I'm not joking about it. If Otangele no chia muzo, see, I'm a man of integrity and a man of integrity. And I'm a tabisi. If Otangele no chele muzo, no Tangelaka. Tell Otangele to stay away from Autumn. I'm okay now.
No problem, sir. Now when they call me Jude, I don't enter the matter. I'm free. I'm happy for you.
I'm very, very serious.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem.
I know the bego. I'm not the hungry type.
I know where you're going to.
Celebration matters.
I know where you're going to. You want to tell me to give you money for food?
Now you call her name, oh. Now you call her name.
I know you very, very well. Take it easy. Go and eat your food.
Hey!
Just wait. Take it easy. Go and blink for no lazy.
You can make my go begin cry for you.
Just wait. Let me add something for you. Take it easy. Go and play Dolly. Enjoy yourself.
Forget it.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy yourself. Hey! What a very beautiful day. Hey!
Why is your face like that? Come on, cheer up. Huh? See, it's not as if I don't love you. I do. But I'm just taking my time.
when will you come and do small thing on my head?
Doing something on your head is not the issue here. See, I told you before, I don't just want to answer a married man. I want to be a man that cares for his family. I want to take the responsibility of a married man, care for my wife, take care of my children, and my mother too.
In that case, look for something and do now. And look for something and do something. Please.
You're sounding so desperate. Oh yes. Don't tell me you are a desperate woman who wants to get married. By all means. You make a mistake in life, oh, if care is not taken. So you have to calm down.
I'm not being desperate. I'm not.
So?
Listen, I am a woman. Besides, I'm not getting any younger. I'm not getting younger now. See, let me tell you, people have started coming to ask for my hand in marriage. And my mom is talking, no. My mother is talking seriously. And she doesn't even believe that you are taking me seriously at all. She's not seeing any seriousness from your side.
See, Chinasa, let's leave your mother out of this issue. Your mother's time is gone. Yes, she ended up in your father's house. So you think of how to end up in somewhere better. Your mother is talking. Fine, let her give you money. Or equally buy you a husband if she's so desperate for you to go out of the house.
Really?
What is that? Yes.
Okay.
Let her talk for all. My mother is also talking. So every mother should talk. But while they are talking, we should think reasonably. I told you I'm making plans to borrow money from my uncle to start importation business. And very soon everything will start working out.
Ipogini.
Importation business.
Hey God. Listen, let me tell you. Importation is not a business that you do with small money. Oh. It's not something that you do with small money. Please let me advise you. That money, use it and go to the market and buy small things. Biscuit, chewing gum, pure water, mineral. And be selling. People will patronize you. Please. You will make small money from it. Which one is importation again now? You don't have the money for that.
Chinasa. Are you the one talking?
Yes.
Or tenants inside you are talking?
I'm the one
me,
talking.
Otangele of all people. The name that rings a bell. That people hail me from all corners of this village. I should go into business, biscuit and sweet.
People do that.
Let me tell you. The Bible says that his plans for us are for good and not for chingom and sweet.
See?
Otangele, have you given your visitor something to eat or drink? Huh?
Mama, please, can you just allow us to discuss in peace? Can you just allow us? Must you interrupt every time, all the time? Allow me, I'm talking to mature people are talking. Allow the kids to play. You say,
Okay. So.
Sweet. That's where you stopped. I should go and import sweet and kuli.
People do that for a living now.
Shut up your mouth. Don't even suggest that nonsense for me.
Tangeli, you have to do something. Oh. You have to do something and you have to do it fast. You need to start doing what your mates are doing now. How long? Me, I'm tired though. I'm tired of praying and fasting. Do something because.
I thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will